The World Cup is coming, and this might be the greatest opportunity this summer to make money online. Whether you like football or soccer or however you call it in your country, you cannot ignore this opportunity coming literally in a few weeks. So stick until the end because I will show you how to leverage the greatest sporting event in the world to build a side hustle that people around the world will absolutely love. So take your notebook, a cup of coffee, and let's do this. So let me emphasize how huge of an opportunity this is. I will go to ChatGPT and ask, how big is the opportunity to create custom merch for World Cup fans around the world? Tell me about potential numbers in size. And ChatGPT will make the research because if you don't know it, World Cup is probably number 1 or number 2 after Super Bowl in terms of the size and the enthusiasm and the number of people involved. As you see, 48 nations involved. 40 billion is the merch market for 2026. 12 to 16 billions annually, which means we're going to create something for this event, but obviously you can do that every single year because this is a market that doesn't die in a summer, right? So the fans want identity. The official merch is expensive, so we're going to create something cheaper, different, alternative, more that resonates with more people. And obviously, if you want to know more about this, you can keep talking about it with ChatGPT, but I don't need anything more specific. And then I will head to Claude. That is amazing when it comes to research and giving you really actionable things that you can use to create side hustles based on real research and numbers and things that really work. So I will go to Claude, use the exact prompt that you're going to find in the description, and ask it, in light of World Cup 2026 in football, make it specific because not everybody is calling football football. I want to create some spot-on, highly likable designs for different countries that participate there. Can you come up with 10 design ideas for each country, giving me also the prompts to design the merch so I can print them with Printify? And Claude will make the research, will strategize, and will build an interactive tool that will shock you. Let me show you. And check what Claude did for me. I have an interactive tool with the 10 top countries that I should focus on. Argentina, Spain, Germany, France, Portugal, USA, Morocco, Japan, Mexico, right? And for each and every single one of them, I have design directions based on cultural stuff, viral elements, vintage elements, retro designs, minimalistic or bold. So it gave me different directions, different kind of aesthetics. So I will go to USA, for example, browse the different ideas, and exactly as I requested, I have the exact prompt that I can use to design different stuff. So I like the Hollywood direction, where we're going to create a sign called Goalwood on a football pitch hillside that says Dreams Come True, USA 2026. I like the approach. This is too American, right? My American friends love that, so I will copy the prompt and head to ChatGPT or any other design platform to create some beautiful designs. Let's see what we're going to get. So I will go to ChatGPT and take the prompt for USA, paste it right here, and ask it to design something for me. And here it is. Check it out, Goalwood. This looks really good, right? One nation, one goal. Here's how it looks like on a t-shirt, a different direction. This one as well, different kind of design, right? So this is something that people that love soccer in US would probably wear. And not just that, any other aesthetic that looks really inspiring, right? Because as we said before, the official merch is expensive. People want to resonate and relate and wear that stuff in the fields during World Cup. So why not create things that people would buy from you? And I'll show you exactly how to create them with zero production costs, nothing, just your creativity. So stick until the end of the video. And if you didn't like so far, please do. It helps a lot. So you can obviously keep doing that with other designs as well. You can see different designs that I have created here with Gemini. This is one for Maracanã and Rio de Janeiro. This is literally a temple for Brazilian fans. This has a different kind of vibe. This one is more retro-oriented and inspired by Pelé, the greatest football player that ever lived in that country. So you can obviously find a great AI design platform. You can do that for free on Gemini or ChatGPT and come up with designs that really make sense for this specific country or countries you're going to select, right? Because as we have said before with print on demand, the people that make it, the people that succeed, don't go after 1 or 2 or 3 designs. They go after a lot of designs, bring out different products with Printify. They see what works and eliminate what doesn't quite fast, right? So it's a numbers game. It's a creativity, a numbers game, and not something that you need to pay upfront before you get the results and understand what's working. So we're gonna go to Printify that, as you see, they have introduced a specific section only for World Cup fun kits. Merch related to the World Cup, right? A hand-picked selection of different products that are fast to produce, fast to deliver, and are specifically tailor-made for this event. Like hoodies, printed glasses, fun flags, can coolers for your beer, right? Pennants, cleanup cups, and so many others that are related to this amazing event. Not too many, but specific products that really make sense. So let's customize this one. This is a pennant. I will start designing. I'll upload my design right here, like this. I will save the product, and this is how it looks. Imagine all the little kids that would love to have this one as a souvenir from USA participation in World Cup in their room. And you can do the same for every single country, as we said. This is just an example. You can generate also AI mockups within Printify. As you see, you can select a rooftop sunset, give a bit of instructions about who should be the model that will hold this item, right? I will describe the background, which is football field. I will generate a mockup and I will create a custom mockup photo for my product so I can promote it on social media, right? Look how cool this looks, right? And you can do the same. You can create multiple mockups and you can do the same with every other product that you would like to publish. So I will save the product. You can see the details right here. The margin that I can sell it for, you can obviously make the price more affordable and have a smaller margin. So it's really up to you. And you're gonna see here, and as you see in my products list, the product is being published as we speak. Once it gets green, it means that it's available to be sold by just sharing the link with anybody. This one is already published and you can see it in my store. So this is the t-shirt. It's being sold for $26.99, and every single time somebody buys it from me, I get $14 as a profit. This is amazing. I don't even own the product. I just designed it. I thought about it. Claude came up with the idea. I designed it with ChatGPT. And as we said before, you can do that multiple times with multiple products. This one is published as well, so it's ready again to be sold by just sharing the link. This is the product. And you can do exactly the same for as many products as you want, for beer coolers, for your own flags, whatever you want. Be creative, use AI, come up with multiple concepts. Use this unique opportunity. We have 3-4 weeks until World Cup. So this is the time to test, publish new products, come up with ideas, and make a difference. Enjoy the event, but also make money online. Let me know in the comments, what is your country, which one you support, and please send me your links, your products, so I can review them and give you feedback. Hope you enjoyed this video. Now is the time to act, and until next time, simply hustle.